Property Owner Files, Season 1, Episode 3. The rent stopped. Then things got worse. Is being a landlord really worth it? Real estate is sold as stable income, predictable returns. But once a tenant stops paying, the story can spiral fast. Welcome to Property Owner Files, where we open real cases from property ownership that went very wrong. These aren't rare mistakes. These are warnings. Let's open the next file. The rent stopped. Then things got worse. In Episode 1, the tenant stopped paying and refused to leave. In Episode 2, the tenant vanished without a trace. This time, the rent stopped, and everything else followed. Today on Property Owner Files, we're looking at the kind of landlord horror story that starts quietly and ends in total chaos. Because when rent stops, tenants don't just stop paying. They stop caring. And that's when real estate problems multiply fast. Stay until the end, because this story ends with a discovery that made the landlord physically step back from the door. When payment turns into a pattern, the first missed payment felt manageable. The tenant explained, promised to catch up, asked for understanding. The landlord gave time. Then it happened again, and again. Soon, late rent wasn't the exception. It was the pattern. This is where many landlords make a critical mistake. They hope instead of act. Not because they're careless, but because eviction feels extreme. Meanwhile, the tenant realizes something important. There are no immediate consequences. That's when behavior changes. Maintenance requests stop. Communication dries up. The property slowly slips into neglect. This is the most dangerous phase of property ownership, when nothing dramatic is happening, but everything is quietly getting worse. And when the landlord finally tried to intervene, the damage was already done. The warning signs. No one talks about. Neighbors started noticing things first. Trash piling up. Strange smells. People coming and going at odd hours. Inside the house, small problems were being ignored. A slow leak turned into water damage. Dirty dishes turned into pests. Clutter turned into health hazards. The tenant had mentally checked out, even though they were still living there. This is something landlord horror stories rarely emphasize. Tenants don't need to move out to abandon a property. They can abandon it while still inside. And legally, the landlord's hands are tied. Entry requires notice. Repairs require cooperation. Eviction takes time. Still watching? What the landlord found next changed everything. When neglect becomes damage, when access was finally granted, the landlord expected mess. They didn't expect decay. Mold spreading behind furniture. Water damage under floors. Insects where food had been left untouched for weeks. The house wasn't just dirty. It was deteriorating. And the worst part? Most of the damage wasn't intentional. It was neglect. That's what makes this type of tenant horror story so dangerous. There's no rage, no vandalism, just apathy. And apathy destroys properties slowly and quietly. By the time eviction proceedings began, the repair estimate had already passed 5 figures. If you think this ends when the tenant leaves, it doesn't. The exit that made it worse. When eviction finally went through, the tenant didn't fight. They packed up and left. No goodbye. No explanation. But they also didn't clean. Didn't report damage. Didn't care. Appliances were broken. Walls stained. The smell lingered long after they were gone. The landlord realized something devastating. Even though the tenant was gone, the consequences weren't. Lost rent, legal fees, repairs that delayed re-renting for months. This wasn't one bad month. It was a chain reaction. And this is why experienced landlords say, the moment rent stops is the moment everything is at risk. And in the next episode, the damage won't be accidental. The real lesson. This story highlights a brutal truth about real estate investing. The most expensive tenants aren't always loud or aggressive. Sometimes they're quiet, unmotivated, disconnected. Once rent stops, time becomes your enemy. Every delay increases damage. Every excuse increases risk. This landlord learned that hoping things improve is often the costliest decision of all. And if this story felt stressful, episode 4 is worse. Because next time, the tenant doesn't just neglect the property, they destroy it on purpose. In this file, the rent stopped, and the damage followed. In the next episode, the tenant doesn't leave quietly. They take revenge. Click the next episode to open the next file. This is Property Owner Files. In the next file, the damage isn't accidental, it's revenge.